Now, the limitation of audio is the fact that number one, we only
Mhm.
have 20 hertz to 20K to work with. That's limitation number one. Limitation number two, the audio only comes out of one speaker. Even though we have two speakers, but that's an illusion. Your audio only comes out of one speaker. You want to kind of mix, like your audio is going to always come out of one speaker because you cannot expect everyone who is listening to your music to have two speaker all the time. When you go to a club, if you've been to a club, they have one speaker here in one corner and the other speaker in another corner. Every listener is not going to be in the center where they can hear your left and right. Is either some people dancing on one side where the one big speaker and some people dancing on the other side where's the other speaker. So when you mix and you pan your guitar all the way to the left, nobody's going to hear that guitar on the other side.
Mm, that makes sense.
So you want to actually mix your song as if you're mixing on one speaker because that's our limitation, the physical limitation of music when it's translated from your computer into the outside world. So now that we understand this limitation, how do we work around it to create something that represent the music properly? That's why we have to first of all solve the masking issue. Like I told you, the
Okay.
masking as a mixer, you like a conductor when you have a lot of people in front of you and you say, okay, you can talk now. Okay, you go back in the background. Okay, now you can talk. Okay, now you can go back in the background. Now you can talk. That's what you're doing with your EQ and your compression and your volume fader.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that's like the basics of mix.